Have you ever wondered how your phone predicts the next word you're going to type? It's almost like it can read your mind, right? This seemingly magical feature is actually a result of complex algorithms working behind the scenes. These algorithms analyze your typing patterns and learn from them to make accurate predictions, or how streaming services seem to know exactly what movies you'll enjoy. They seem to have an uncanny ability to suggest films and shows that match your taste perfectly. This isn't just a lucky guess. It's the power of machine learning at work. By analyzing your viewing history and comparing it with millions of other users, these services can recommend content that you're likely to love. The answer lies in the incredible world of machine learning, a revolutionary field that's quietly changing our lives. Machine learning involves training computers to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. It's a bit like teaching a child to recognize objects and learn from experiences, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn from data, just like we do. Imagine a team of programmers feeding vast amounts of data into a computer, allowing it to learn and improve over time. This process enables machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans, such as recognizing speech, identifying images, and even driving cars. It's like giving them a brain that gets smarter over time. But wait, there's more. This artificial brain can process information at lightning speed and make decisions based on that information. The more data it receives, the smarter it becomes. This continuous learning process is what makes machine learning so powerful and transformative. Deep learning takes this concept to a whole new level, mimicking the intricate workings of our own brains. Deep learning involves neural networks, which are designed to simulate the way our brains process information. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes, each layer learning to recognize different features of the data. The deeper the network, the more complex the patterns it can identify. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of machine learning and deep learning, where machines are becoming smarter every day. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, these technologies are making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a world where machines can understand and respond to our needs, making decisions that improve our daily lives. We'll uncover the secrets behind these cutting-edge technologies and see how they're shaping the future. We'll delve into the algorithms and data that power these systems and explore the ethical considerations that come with such powerful technology. How do we ensure that these machines are used responsibly and for the greater good? Buckle up, science lovers, because things are about to get exciting. As we journey through the world of machine learning and deep learning, we'll discover the endless possibilities and the incredible potential these technologies hold. So, stay tuned and get ready to be amazed by the machines that learn. In today's digital age, we're surrounded by mountains of data. This data comes from a variety of sources, including social media interactions, online transactions, and even the sensors in our smart devices. The sheer volume of data being generated every second is staggering, and it holds immense potential for those who know how to harness it. Every click, every search, every purchase generates information that can be harnessed for amazing things. This data can reveal insights into consumer behavior, predict future trends, and even help in making critical decisions in real time. The ability to process and analyze this data effectively is what sets successful organizations apart in today's competitive landscape. This is where machine learning and deep learning come in. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we interact with data, making it possible to uncover hidden patterns and make accurate predictions. They are the driving force behind many of the intelligent systems we use today, from recommendation engines to autonomous vehicles. They are like powerful tools that can sift through this data, find patterns, and make predictions. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, identifying trends and correlations that would be impossible for humans to detect manually. This capability is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Machine learning is the broader field, encompassing various techniques that allow computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. It includes methods like supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on labeled data, and unsupervised learning, where it tries to find hidden patterns in unlabeled data. There are also reinforcement learning techniques, where the algorithm learns by receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, structures inspired by the human brain. These neural networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons that process information in a way that mimics the human brain's neural pathways. This allows deep learning models to handle even more complex patterns and make sense of unstructured data like images, audio, and text. These networks can handle even more complex patterns, leading to groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence. For example, deep learning is behind the impressive capabilities of modern speech recognition systems, image classification, and natural language processing. It is also the technology that powers many of the AI-driven innovations we see today, such as self-driving cars and advanced robotics. In this essay, we'll delve into the exciting world of machine learning and deep learning, exploring their differences, applications, and the impact they're having on our world. We'll look at how these technologies are being used to solve real-world problems, the challenges they face, and the future possibilities they hold. Join us as we embark on this journey to understand the fascinating and ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You start with simple commands and use treats as rewards to encourage the behavior you want. You don't program commands into its brain. Instead, you show it what to do through repetition and rewards. Over time, the dog learns to associate the command with the action and the reward. That's kind of how machine learning works. But instead of a dog, we have computers. And instead of treats, we have data. Instead of writing specific instructions for every task, we feed computers vast amounts of data and let them learn the patterns and rules on their own. This process involves training algorithms to recognize patterns within the data, much like how a dog learns to recognize commands. Take spam filters, for example. They learn to identify junk mail by analyzing thousands of emails, recognizing common phrases and patterns that signal spam. Initially, the system might make mistakes, but as it processes more data, it becomes more accurate. Similarly, recommendation systems on streaming platforms analyze your viewing history and preferences to suggest movies and shows you might enjoy. They look at what you've watched, how you've rated different shows, and even what others with similar tastes have enjoyed. Machine learning has evolved significantly over the years. Early computers could only follow explicit instructions, but today's systems can learn and adapt, making them far more versatile and powerful. Consider autonomous vehicles. These cars use machine learning to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make decisions in real time. They process data from sensors and cameras to understand their environment and learn from each journey to improve their driving skills. In healthcare, machine learning helps in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images and patient data. It can identify patterns that might be missed by human eyes, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. In finance, machine learning algorithms predict stock market trends by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns that indicate future movements. This helps investors make more informed decisions. Machine learning is like having a tireless assistant who learns from experience, constantly improving its performance without needing explicit instructions for every situation. It's transforming industries and changing the way we interact with technology, making our lives more efficient and connected. Deep learning takes inspiration from the most complex structure we know, the human brain. It utilizes artificial neural networks, interconnected layers of neurons that process and transmit information. These networks, with their multiple layers, can discern intricate patterns and relationships within data, leading to remarkable capabilities. Facial recognition technology, for example, relies on deep learning. These algorithms are trained on massive data sets of faces, learning to identify unique features and patterns that distinguish one person from another. Deep learning also powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, enabling them to understand and respond to natural language. By mimicking the brain's structure and function, deep learning is pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. While both machine learning and deep learning fall under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, there are some key differences between them. One way to think about it is that deep learning is a more advanced, specialized form of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can be relatively simple, while deep learning models involve complex neural networks with numerous layers. Deep learning's intricate networks require massive amounts of data to train effectively. Machine learning algorithms can often work well with smaller datasets. Machine learning excels in tasks like spam filtering and recommendation systems. Deep learning, with its advanced pattern recognition, shines in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and self-driving cars. Understanding these differences is crucial for choosing the right approach for a particular problem. So, when should you use machine learning versus deep learning? The answer depends on several factors, including the complexity of the task, the amount of data available, and the desired outcome. Machine learning is often a good starting point for less complex tasks, especially when data is limited. It's generally easier to implement and requires less computational power. Deep learning, on the other hand, is the go-to choice for tasks involving complex patterns and large data sets. It's particularly powerful for image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and other areas where human-like perception is needed. Ultimately, the best approach depends on the specific problem you're trying to solve. Machine learning and deep learning are no longer futuristic concepts confined to science fiction. They're here, they're real, and they're transforming our world in profound ways. From personalized medicine to self-driving cars, these technologies are revolutionizing industries and reshaping our daily lives. As these fields continue to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Understanding the power of machine learning and deep learning isn't just about keeping up with the latest technological advancements. It's about embracing a future where intelligent machines augment our abilities and help us solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. So, let's dive in, explore the possibilities, and shape the future together, one algorithm at a time.